cannot talk on the camera. It is so scary. I just don't feel comfortable. What should I do? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for entrepreneurs and experts to turn your passion into profits by creating online assets. Today in this particular video, I want to share with you how you can become so comfortable talking to the camera like this. Well, I received so many messages around me and asked me, Steph, I just cannot talk in front of cameras. It is so scary. And I don't know what to say. I don't know where to look at. I really don't know how to kickstart my video making journey. And this is the reason why I want to create this particular video, because I want to share with you my journey like this. I used to start creating videos about 2 years ago when I was in a coaching program where I talked to my coach that I really want to create motivational videos. And he said, okay, then create your first one. And I just say yes, but then I was very regret about it because now I need to come with a topic. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. All these excuses, all these crazy ideas come to my mind until I figure out one thing. Why people are feeling not comfortable on the camera? It is because they put themselves too big. They see themselves so big that, well, when I'm creating a video, it needs to be perfect because it represents me, it is my personal branding. All these like little voices are coming to you. But I want to tell you how you can actually overcome speaking in front of camera, in front of a group of people is actually a few things. Number one is don't put the spotlight onto yourself. If I am now creating a video and I put all the spotlight onto myself, onto Steph, then I'll have so much pressure. I will be thinking, oh, am I looking good? Am I wearing a beautiful clothes? Is the background nice? Is everything all look good? Otherwise, I will like position myself wrongly or whatever. It is not about me. It's actually about you. It's actually about how I can deliver valuable content, how I can serve you. So you, the person you who are watching this video, is having all the spotlight, right? So if I'm shifting the perspective like this, I'm focusing on you instead of focusing on myself, then I feel a lot more comfortable. It feels like the person who is behind this camera is actually you, and I want to think of all the ways that I can help you, and this makes me feel very comfortable. So this is definitely one of the keys to help you feel more easy and happy and enjoy the moment while you're shooting all these videos. And the second thing is actually, for me, like long time ago, 2 years ago, when I was shooting videos, I usually make so many takes and I script everything and I try to memorize one paragraph. Okay, I put away my phone and then I'll shoot it and then I'll stop it and then I'll look at the second point and then I'll shoot it and then I stop it. And then repeats and repeats and repeats until I figure out, wait, think about, I'm just like talking to you. And do you think when you're talking to a friend, you will not have a script, right? You will not like think of, okay, I'm going to teach you like 5 tips on a topic. It's very casual, it's very dialogue way, right? So right now I also didn't plan what I'm going to share with you, but I just feel this is what I want to tell you right now. It's just very natural, very organic, very vulnerable, nothing to prepare. So I don't even edit my videos. I try to minimize all the editing because it's normal when I say something wrong, and this is like a real conversation. But if I make it too professional, then it feels I polish it too much, and I don't like that. Missing the authenticity and missing that natural raw bits of creating videos. So with only these 2 tips, I hope that when you're creating your videos, when you're sharing your voice to people, just be natural. And oh, one more tip is that, well, like as I mentioned, like I didn't plan anything, so when ideas just come, just flow, I'll just share here. One more tip right here is actually practice it. Practice talking to the phone, even if you're not posting it, still practice talking to it. So you feel more friendly, you feel more comfortable when you're looking into the camera, when you're looking into the camera while there's a big chunk screen that is yourself looking at you, but you don't want to look at it, otherwise your eyes will be pivoted. So again, it's very about progression, right? It's not about perfection. It's all about the progress. It's all about like having the process, the progress that you're moving on to your journey. Because afterwards, like when you're looking back to all the videos that you've made, then you'll see, wow, I've actually gone through so far. Like now I feel more alive, I feel more comfortable, I feel more natural making videos compared to my ever first video. You can still check it out, which is on the 21st of August. That one I actually took, I think, like 30 or 50 shoots. I don't remember. And I spent like 2 hours just making one video. And now I can create many videos every day because it's just like talking like this. It's so natural, it's so comfortable, it's just with the flow. So I hope this video can help you to overcome all your uncomfortable moments, to overcome your difficulty, overcome your fear in creating videos online. And I can't wait to see all your online assets out there on different social media platforms. So I'll see you very soon in another episode.